Sometimes on X or Twitter, some research surveys used to come. If you want to get email notifications when these types of surveys are coming, you can enable one setting, and after that, you'll get those notifications. In this video, we'll be telling you how to enable those notifications. For this, open the X application. After that, above, you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. And here, you can see the Settings and Support option. Click on Settings and Support. And here, you can see Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. And here, you can see Notifications. Click on Notifications. When you click on that, here you can see Preferences. Click on Preferences. When you click on that, here you can see Email Notifications. Click on this. And here, you can see Email Notifications above. If it's turned off, what you need to do is enable this. After that, here you can see the From X option. Under that, you can see Participation in X research surveys. If it's turned off, what you need to do is enable this. After this, you'll get these kinds of notifications in your email. So, hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.